turtle?
It says yellow-bellied turtle.
Look. Let's go find your brother. Hi guys, galing kami ng Walmart and then galing kami ng TJ Maxx. Dumaan din kami dito sa yeah. Which one you like? Do you still wanna get the goldfish?
I don't know.
I think I wanna get the small fish. You know, it's gonna be easy to because the goldfish is kinda dirty. Meron kami daming isda. Ang paksiw. Mga shell. Ewan. The turtle? Show him, Kuya, the turtle. You wanna see the turtle? This way, buddy. Daniel, this way. You follow, Kuya.
Those are the plants. These are the turtles.
Look at the turtles. Here, buddy. Look. May nakita. Mga iguana. Ayan. Iguana. Ay. Birded dragon.
Oh, yeah.
Ha?
Yummy.
Yeah, what is this, anak? This one. Oh. What did you call it?
Guinea pig.
Yeah, guinea pig.
Like the tiny little
Here. You see the bird? Hi, guys.
This is tiny piece.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you say hi to the birds?
Parakeets.
Yeah. Daniel, can you say hi to the bird? Hi, bird. Look at mommy. Daniel. How old are they, do you think?
I don't know.
You cannot open that, baby.
Look, there's a bunch of turtles over there.
Say hi to the turtle.
Why are there so many in that?
Yeah, how many are they? 2,
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6, 7.
7. 7 turtle.
And there's plants.
Daniel, wait for Kuya and Mommy. Udah, here on the way. Run, dali. It's your brother. Hi guys, good morning. So ang aga-aga ko guys nagising kasi para makapagtrabaho nga ako. No, that's Mommy's coffee, my love. Pero mayroon ding maagang nagising. Eto, tingnan nyo. At nagkakape pa. Kasi naman ay, nako naman. That's Mommy's coffee. Ang aga-aga kong nagising. Para nga makapagtrabaho kung dami kong kailangan gawin. At 2 bata yung alagain kong at nakabakasyon si Kuya. Aga din naman nagising. Ang dami kong labahin. Ang dami kong tiklupin. Nako. Oh, matapon yung kape. Oh, yan, magpasipayer ka na lang kaya. Yan na lang. Yan na lang. Huwag ka na magdede, no more mimi? Ha? So, yan na nga guys. Maaga akong gumising para sabi ko salang ako ng labahin, matiklop ko yung ibang nilaban ko. Nung nakaraan pa yon, nung 1 linggo pa yon. Hindi ko pa matiklop-tiklop. Gawa nitong makulit na to. Diyos me. Tapos na naman ang araw nito, wala tayong nagagawa. O, ayan o. Oh, hi! Hi guys! Can you say hi?
Hi.
How are you guys? Hindi na nga. Tulog pa si Kuya.
I am a baby.
Mm-hmm.
A baby.
Are you a baby?
Baby. Yeah, baby. A baby.
Are you baby?
An
Dami mong kalat. Ano?
egg.
Show them your egg. Oh, it's just half egg. Half of the egg, huh? Guys, good morning. You wanna say hi, Kuya?
Hi.
As you can hear, guys, may humihilig. Andito kami, guys, sa Balboa Park. Wala naman ibang mapuntahan. Ito kasi yung park na marami kang pwedeng gawing activity since bakasyon ni Kuya, spring vacation. And then si Daniel, ayan, nakatulog na. Aga niya kasi kaninang natulog, nagising. So, maghanap ng parking kanina. Punuan, buti pag isang ikot namin. Tinignan ko dun sa kabila. Tapos umikot kami. Buti may umalis kaya may na parking na. Kasi sa side na to, ito guys, nakita ko lang, be the reason someone smile. Ayan. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Balboa Park. Iikot na naman tayo doon. Hi, Kuya!
Hi.
Si Daniel, nagising na rin siya. Pagkatanggal ko sa sa car seat, nagising na rin siya. Paglipat ko sa stroller, alam niya kasi pag nasa galaan, pag nasa ganito, gusto niya aware siya. Outdoor to ma-outdoor. Dito tulad sa kuya niya. Sa pilitan yan guys palagi. Mailabas ko lang. Yung kuya namin, ayaw naglalabas. Nagmana sa tatay kasi ako nung bata pa ako, gala ako. Saan ako maabot. Nag-jogging yung kuya niya. Bumaba na sa stroller. Tapos si kuya niya naglalakad. Huwag daw maglakad. Jogging daw. Oo. Watch out! Do not touch that, baby. It's dirty. Keep going. Jogging the dinosaur. Look at me, guys. Say cheese. No. Jogging. Ayan. Yung isa active na active, yung isa naman napipilitan. Kahit magkapatid, magkaiba ang ugali. Yung isa very outgoing. Yung isa naman, halo silain namin. Lumabas lang. At tapos kada lakad namin, habang nag-walking kami, hindi na nauubusan ng reklamo. Tristan, your chick is okay. Deal with it. Not because something beat your chicks, we're gonna destroy our plan. You're okay. You're fine. Deal with it. Let's go, Daniel.
It's not something that's biting.
Airplane, come here.
It's not something bit my cheek. It's something that's biting my cheek.
It's nothing here. Oh,
Ow.
it's nothing. Oh,
Serious, it
nothing.
feels like-
Hi guys. Ayan. Say hi, Kuya. Wanna say hi? Daniel, wanna say hi? Yan. Naka na kami guys. Naka 2 rounds. Kanina kasi si Kuya wala sa mood, panay angal. Sabi ko, panay reklamo mo, the more tayo maglalakad. Kaya kanina, nung sinabi ko yun, biglang ginanahan. Pero nag-round 2 pa rin kami. Kanina wala sa mood talaga. Tapos ngayon, feels good daw. Kaso nagre-request na ng food. So, maybe 1 hour pa kami para makapaglaro pa si Daniel. Kahit kumakain na siya doon. And then go home na. Lagi tayong dito sa park guys kasi wala man masyadong mapuntahan. Hindi pa naman ako makapag-drive ng malayuan with the kids.
Peekaboo.
Are you gonna go down the slide, buddy?
Peekaboo. Okay, now you can go, Daniel.
Peekaboo. Whoa.
It's cold.
Cold or hot? Are you sure it's cold? Don't cake, Daniel.
Look here.
Trista, Daniel, look. Kuya wanna show something. What is that, Kuya? It's like a wheel. Wheels. What else do we need?
We need something else.
Like, I think we need chicken.
We do?
Yep. Daniel, what else do we need? Oh, they buy one, take one again.
Why did what?
Oh, parami na naman tayo ng chicken. Ah.
Why did
Buy
they?
one, take one
Why?
for the
Why?
chicken.
Why with the chicken?
They give it away. Maybe we can get this too. Not fresh. Yeah, fresh regular. Buy one, get one, guys, yung chicken.
Yay.
Okay, 10, so we can get two.
Yay.
Okay.
Lots of chicken.
Can take a video
Okay.
mommy while
Chicken.
Are you too close to mommy? Maybe you can step
No, it's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Dalawa kunin natin, guys. Sayang. Buy one free. Oh, diba? Dalawa na agad yung chicken. Okay. Thank you.
You see how I made the camera follow the chicken.
Okay. That's good. Hi guys, good morning. So andito kami ngayon sa Seafood City. Bigla akong nag-crave ng pancit canton kaya nagpunta kami dito. And then okay. Say hi guys. Ito nakasuot ng dalawang glasses. Let's go for a walk anak. So dito guys, yung mga isdaan nila. Ayan, yung mga isdaan, may mga malaking tilapia. At dito nakakuha tayo ng mga noodles. We have to wait for the fish. They're still cleaning it. Can you push your brother? I'm gonna take a video of you guys. So dito may mga sila. Yan, yung mga karne, manok. Ayan na yung mga nag-grocery namin. Yan, mayroon silang Adidas. Yan. Gusto ko sana Adidas kaso hindi ko lang tinatamad ako magluto. Ayan, may mga frozen good din sila dito.
I know what I'm doing.
May mga, sorry. May mga gulay. Do you want Shanghai, anak? You want chicken or pork? We haven't get chicken, pork, or shrimp. Maybe chicken. Chicken. Ayan. Mahal na Aray ko. 7. Ito na lang. Yes, baby. And then, I think I'm gonna get tocino. Yeah, we're going that way. 2 for 8. Isa lang. Tataba yung tocino. Tataba. Jeez. So, I think we're done, right? Okay. Let's go now. We just come here for the punta lang. I guess tapos na kami. Ito masarap. Mga tinapa. Kaso mga ngamoy na naman tayo doon. Makakahiya sa kapitbahay. So wag na lang. Sure. Sure. Tapos na yata. No hearing, buddy. Be nice to your brother. May mga kopi ko din sila dito. So, let's go. Kunin na natin yung isa. So, pumunta kami dito guys para lang sa pancit tihon or pancit canton. Tingnan namin. Tira na naman ang budget. Naliligo ang aming sasakyan. Hi, buddy. Are you helping? Huh? Dirty? Oh, come on. You help, Kuya. Where's Kuya? Hi, Kuya. How is it, Kuya? Enjoy?
Dirty. My hands are dirty.
It's okay. We can wash your shoes later, okay? You go help Kuya. Yeah. Help Kuya, Daniel. Wala kami masyadong ginawa ngayon kasi wala ako sa mood. Parang bigat ng mood ko ngayon. Ayan, binisi ko na lang sila maglinis ng sasakyan para may magawa naman sila. Mainit. Mag-aalasin ko na. You having fun, Kuya? Yeah. Okay. What about you, Daniel? Daniel, are you having fun? So. You don't wanna help Kuya? So, ayan na guys, ang aking car wash bowl. Ay, malaglag pa. Nak, wanna say hi?
Hi.
Hey, about you, Daniel. Wanna say hi? Oh, you wanna help Kuya? Yeah? The top, anak. Go the other side. Run away.
Hear that?
What happened to dinosaur?
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just admiring my babies.